Thank you for joining me for Veg with Lisa live. I'm Lisa, and today I have got so many amazing vegetables to showcase in Sufferin Summer Succotash. But before I get started, please, this is live, so type in the comments, say hi, let me know that you're here and that you can see me and my veg and that you can hear me. Woo-hoo. Before I jump into my Sufferin Summer Succotash recipe, how's your summer going? And are you staying hydrated? Do you know it is one of the lowest hanging vegetable fruits for good health? And I've got something special to help you. It's a new freebie. It's my Power of Hydration packet. And I'll put the link to the download in the comments. Okay, but you came here to talk about some veg. I've got fruits, I've got veg, I've got legumes, I've got beans, I've got herbs, I've got all of the things in my Sufferin Summer Succotash. Let me turn you down here and show you what I've got going on. So this is one of my absolutely, okay, hi Rob. Oh, awesome, thank you so much. This is my favorite time of the year, summer. Except for things are a little slippery up here. I love summer so much because I'm a warm weather, sunshiny kind of gal. And also I love all of the summer fruits and veg that are at the market or in your grocery store. And by the way, if you're eating loads of fruits and veg, like I hope you are, they help you stay hydrated as well. Succotash is a very traditional North American, Native American dish that is often made, well, it's almost always made with sweet corn. That's one thing that makes it succotash. And lima beans or butter beans. Sometimes other beans are used. You can use chickpeas, you can use edamame, and then often like some squash. You can think of the typical Native American veg that would have grown in the Northeast. And succotash is actually an Algonquin word that means broken corn. Jenny, hi! Okay, so let's get to cooking, shall we? Well, I've already started cooking. Oh my gosh, I'm having so many technical difficulties today. We need an intern. Who wants to apply? Holy cow. Oh, this is just kind of turning into be a disaster. There we go. Oh my gosh, what a relief. So you can see that I've already started my aromatics, which are fancy French words for things that smell good when you cook. I've got onions and garlic, and I like to put a little bit of ginger in my succotash just for fun. Why not? And then peppers. So I've got a couple different kinds of sweet peppers. There are peppers in succotash too. I love sweet red bell peppers. I also love these banana peppers. So I've got some of both in my succotash. You can use any kind of peppers that you want. I wouldn't use hot peppers though, unless you want a little extra spice in your life. Okay, then squash. Now, again, patty pan squash is really fun and in the market right now. By the way, I got all these vegetables for my succotash, my summer succotash, at the River Arts District Farmers Market here in Asheville. But check out your own local farmers market. It's a great way to find some really fun and different fruit and veg. And if you can't find it at your market, just go to the grocery store. That works too. Okay, squash in my skillet with my aromatics. By the way, I'm just using olive oil and avocado oil these days for my sauteing. Sometimes it's kind of hard to keep up with the healthy oils, but I think those are the healthiest right now. Stay tuned, that might change. Okay, lima beans or butter beans. Look at these, aren't they beautiful? I cook these myself from dried. You can buy them frozen. You can probably dry them in a can. Beans are an amazing source of protein, fiber. These also have good manganese and magnesium in them. So I'm going to throw those in. Again, you can use other kinds of legumes if you like. Sweet corn, by the way, this is not evil. Corn is not the C word. It is not bad for you. Enjoy it in the summer when it's fresh and on the cob, like that. What we don't want to eat a ton of is processed corn foods, like tortilla chips and all those really good crispy fried things. Yeah, but enjoy this. So I'll show you. I just chopped mine. Actually, I don't know if you can see this, but super easy to cut your own off of the cob. And if you don't have access to fresh corn on the cob, or you just plain don't want to mess with it, not a problem.
You can use the frozen corn. I think that shoe peg frozen corn is amazing. Canned corn if you want, but it's not my favorite. Okay, so what I've got cooking away, all my aromatics, onions, garlic. I use a little ginger for just a little bit, something extra. A whole load of a couple different kinds of sweet bell peppers. Then I put in some squash. You could use zucchini. You could use patty pan. You can use any kind of summer squash because this is Sufferin summer succotash. Any kind of squash that you want. And you just cook it all down. It's kind of like a little stir fry. Yeah, look at this. I wish you could smell it. It smells amazing. Maybe you can hear it sizzling away. It's a little pinch of sea salt, not too much, but remember you get your excess sodium from processed and convenience foods, not your home cooking. All right, and then perhaps la piece de resistance, some fresh tomatoes. Oh my gosh, the tomatoes are amazing right now. So I hope if you are a follower of veg, and even if you're not, you probably know that you need a whole variety of plants for a healthy gut. We must eat plants. You don't have to be vegan, but you have to eat plants for fiber for a healthy gut microbiome. Well, shall we count thy ways? Onions, garlic, peppers, I'll only count one, squash, corn, lima beans, tomatoes. That is 7 different varieties of plants in this one dish. We need 30 to 40 different varieties of plants each and every week for a healthy gut and a healthy gut microbiome, for a healthy immunity, healthy mental health, and healthy you. Okay, so look at that. Isn't that absolutely the UT must? I'm going to set that aside and show you the one I made earlier. Oh, look at all those colors. Talk about eat the rainbow. And I like to serve my Sufferin summer succotash on a bed of quinoa. There's a really nice, it's really nice to combine beans and grains for a complete protein, even though we know we don't really have to do that anymore if you're eating that variety of plants that I talked about, and enough calories, you're going to get all the amino acids. They don't have to be in one meal. Fresh basil, because I love that with corn. And then because I can't help myself, a drizzle of chili crisp or chili oil. I like to buy the Spice Switch brand for a couple of reasons. One, because she's local. Sabrina the Witch makes it. Yes, that's really her name here in Asheville. But 2, she's my friend. 3, the main reason I like her products is because she uses avocado oil and there's no sugar in her chili oil or chili crisp. Okay, let's give this Sufferin summer succotash the taste test. Don't take my word for it, but it is delicious. Get to your farmer's market, your supermarket, buy up some of these amazing summer veg, and make yourself some Sufferin summer succotash. Thank you for joining me and my veg for live. See you next time.